Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a traveler's notebook layout that I titled Rome, and I'm working with a digital scrapbook version of the collection Transatlantic Travel by Carta. I'm also using a template that is, this page is based on a template that I then created that I created for this page, and this is a silhouette SVG template that you can download as freebie on my blog, and you can use it either for traveler's notebook layouts or for 12 by 12 scrapbook pages in whatever capacity you like. So I have a lot of templates that are available as freebies on my blog, so MistyHilltops.com. So here I decided, because it's a travel layout, I decided to go with a tag kind of theme, and I have I think 6 or 7, I think it's 6 tags that I have worked into this page, and some of them I just used the tags from the template that I created and just cut my paper to that, or use some of the existing tags from the collection there. The collection also comes with a bunch of tags, but most of them I think I just clipped to the digital scrapbook or the digital template that I have there. So that's just quite easy to do, and then I am spreading them across the 2 pages. I also have to pay attention when I add the photos. These photos again, I don't want them to be cut and apart, and so I'm paying attention to where the center of the page is, where the 2 pages are separate or divided, and so that I make sure that at least the photos don't get cut apart. I don't mind if the background gets cut apart there to create that traveler's notebook page spread there, but sometimes I don't even mind when a photo is when I cut through a photo, but in this case I wanted the photos to stay intact. I'm using 2 by 3 inch photos here for this page, as I use normally anywhere between 2 by 3 and 3 by 3s and 2 by 2 size photos is what I try to work with. This is a title that I printed out, and then just in this case I fussy cut. I sometimes run it through my silhouette cutting machine, but for this one I just fussy cut the title, and I'm adding it here to the page. And then I have a bunch of flowers. Some of them come from the silhouette store that I just printed, and then actually also I just fussy cut them out rather than have the silhouette printed, because I didn't use colored cardstock. I just used printed flowers there. And while I do like to do print and cuts, sometimes when it's just a few elements that I'm trying to get cut, then I just fussy cut it. It goes, in that case it does go faster than I'm pulling out my machine there. Then I have all these word strips that I usually use on my pages. These word strips, I have a bunch of them that I share as freebie on my blog, MistyHilltops.com, so they're based on different themes. So check out MistyHilltops.com if you want to see, and there's a tag freebie that you can follow and see where all the freebies that I share there. So again, I think it's a fun part to add to my pages using these word strips. I would just print them on heavy duty cardstock, cut them apart, and then I can use them on my pages, and they make lovely additions to any of my projects that I'm working on. And I just have a whole bunch of them, and so I just have to go through my through the words and then pick the ones that I like, and it's always easy that way. Now I have to say, for the travel themed ones that I haven't really, at the point of making this video, I haven't really even shared on my blog yet, but I created them with using the same colors as in the collection that I'm using here from Carta. So they work perfectly well for these kinds of pages, and that's why I keep coming back to use the Transatlantic Travel rather than other travel digital scrapbook kits, of which I have enough, but I do like that color scheme. Anyway, this is my page done. I'm cutting it apart, obviously, in the end. But I'm leaving you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.